Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So we have 1 minus sin s squared. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine s squared equal to 1 minus sin s squared, and we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. So we have the second one, that is about sin s squared equal to 1 minus cosine s squared. So this one we change by cosine s squared. This one we change by sin s squared. So cosine s squared multiplied by this one and number 1. And sin s squared multiplied by this one and number 1. So secant of s squared we change by 1 over cosine s squared. And this one we change by 1 over sin s squared. So this one we simplify and we have number 1. This one we simplify too. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. And we have cosine s squared and sin s squared here. So we can put like this. And this one equals to number 1. So we have number 2 minus number 1 equals to number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.